everyone, this is TF541 Productions from Transformers 541 Productions. Right now I am doing a reboot video about Transformers Destruction from the Decepticons. This reboot is due to the bad editing and animation. The voices were fine, just fine. But the voices is going to be rebooted too, since the whole series is going to be rebooted. And here is the video. Right now, here are the characters we have for Destruction from the Decepticons. Please post the video response below doing your audition. Thank you.
With the enemy gone, gonna finally live on. It's a rebel in their victory. Robotic warriors give it their all. Fight in disguise to the victors this home. Transformers, defenders of truth. Robots who fight in disguise. Transformers.